So this is project 0 of CS50's web programming, and in this screencast I'm going to outline the 7 different elements that are listed in the specification. Okay, so the first element is pages. So here is the main search page, and then I have the 2 links in the upper right hand corner. So this link is for image search, and then the other link is for the advanced search. So we'll go back to Google search, and here's the advanced search. So these are the 3 links that incorporate all the 3 different ways you can search in this project. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do a Google search for kittens, and then I'll click on search, and we see that we get the results for that particular search query. Okay, so the next thing is for images. So I'm going to go to image search, and I'll do the same thing. So I'll image search for kittens, and you see that a whole bunch of pictures of kittens show up. Okay, the next one is the advanced. So let's go ahead and do that one. So we go back here, and we're going to click on advanced search, and we see okay, so I'm going to find some phrases, so all these words. So let me just say, I don't know, cat, cafe, so do that. You know, here's a search result that has all these 3 words. I can do the other ones. So this exact word or phrase, so I could have something like, I don't know, it's for adoption. Okay, and it brings me to the adoption centers for kittens. Any of these words, so let me try something like kittens, adoption, rescue, something like that. So, you know, and you get the same sort of result. And then the final one is none of these words. So I guess that's going to be a little bit trickier. Okay, let me just try the same one. Rescue, and see what it gives us. Okay, it didn't match any documents. So let me try. Okay, so let me see my dogs, and then without any of those other. Okay, so there we go. So search on dogs without any of these other 3 elements or words, and then there we go. Okay, so those are the search queries. Appearance-wise, you know, I created the search text box so that it has rounded edges, and I think that's all they want us to do. And then the button is centered, and then all the elements are centered. And then the next thing is this I'm feeling lucky. So if I, you know, click on kittens and I click I'm feeling lucky, then it should give me a single search result, which happens to be a YouTube video, and it takes me straight to that video. So so the first search result is kittens walk with a tiny chicken. Just go back. Okay, and then the last one is aesthetics. So, you know, that's a little bit subjective, but, you know, I think I've pretty much created my website such that it does kind of give us the same search functionality, or the same look as the Google search engine does, in the sense that it's, you know, pretty clean. There's nothing junky about it, and that all the elements are there. Okay, so that concludes project 0 of CS50's web programming. Thank you for watching.